The new trimmer off Amazon has arrived. Lili Pro M10. It's a new trimmer with 7,000 RPM. I was currently on the market looking for a soft trimmer for when I cut kids' hair and stumbled across this one. First impression is it was packaged thoroughly. Snug box, bubble wrap. A weird habit I've developed over time is when unboxing any trimmers or clippers, I like to cause minimal damage to the box, even though I don't keep the box. Once the unit is out of the box, I tend to toss them. So the description here is built-in rechargeable 1800 milliamp lithium ion battery, charging time 3 hours, running time 300 minutes, load speed 7,000 RPM, ABS material for the body, blade material, powder, I can't even pronounce that word, metallurgy. What was missing? It doesn't heat up over long periods of time, and it is a Type-C charging cable. Here I'm trying to hold the power down to turn it on. It's a feather touch button, so you just tap it and it powers on, or tap it to power off. It's not zero gapped out the box. You would have to zero gap the blade yourself, which doesn't take much. You need 2 different size screwdrivers and about 10 minutes to zero gap. I zero gap it in the next video. Overall, it's a good trimmer for lining up kids, but I don't think it's powerful enough to line up an adult. Or it could, you just have to go over spots multiple times. Here you see the full contents when you buy the trimmer: USB-C cord, trimmer, and a brush.
I'm out.